guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making unicorn slime. And you only use water and whatever this pink stuff is. And on the box it says it looks very sparkly. And it says turn your water into gooey slime. So we are gonna do that, and then we'll add these in, and then we got this mixing spoon. Gonna mix my head up. I'm not really gonna do that. And it comes with 2 unicorns, y'all. And we got 16 grams here and 1 liter. So we're gonna mix these up, and then once that's done, we're gonna come back to you guys in 20 more minutes when my slime is done, and then we're gonna do a slime reveal. So I'm first gonna add in my water, and by the way, this water is hot, not that hot. So I can pick it up though, and pour it into my bowl, all of it, because I like to use a lot. Then I want to sprinkle this all around. Sprinkle it, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Now we are going to mix. This doesn't feel very gooey right now, but I think it will work out. Maybe if I do it a bit speedier. Oh, but I don't want to miss it on this counter. My mom paid a lot for it. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a slime reveal in 20 more minutes. You don't have to wait 20 more minutes, by the way. That would just be wasting your time. So we will come back to you in 20 more minutes. Bye. Guys, it's 20 minutes past. So we are going to use our hands for the slime, and I'm a bit scared because I haven't felt it yet. Okay. So I'm reaching. Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. You guys, you really need to buy this slime. It's so awesome, so satisfying. So satisfying. So satisfying. So satisfying. And I hope no other YouTuber has made this slime yet, because then it'll be my slime. No YouTuber to make slime. Yeah, anyway, let's get back to it. So at the under it feels like Orbeez, you know, those little round balls. Those things, it feels like at the bottom, but then at the top, it feels so squishy. It feels like Orbeez but crushed. And then you feel like you're getting Orbeez at the bottom, and then when you reach the top, they just like go away. It's like the bubbles at the bottom, which can't break. Looks like there are Orbeez in here. But they're just bubbles. And if you guys like this video, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.